Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 2007 Wonderland Burping Contest featuring Shamik Lindo, woo! And Amanda Gooden, woo! Our reigning champion. Now, challenger Shamik, let's see what you can do. Start drinking.
No, don't put the camera when I'm drinking. Put Amanda talk. Amanda talk.
I'll just drink.
Hurry up! What are you guys doing? Here she goes, our champ, guzzling down some Sprite, her drink of choice. Oh, a cough. It's a cough. We're looking for burps. And she said it's gone.
No,
that's not a good thing.
Slow down.
Can she burp? Can she burp? Can anybody burp? 14 seconds left. That's a burp. Not a very big burp, but it's a burp. Champion, it's a burp. Oh, God. And our champion is Amanda Gooden. Woo!